Today on By Andrea Jansen, I'll show you how to make a delicious oven dish called Dutch Aardappel Anders casserole with ground beef. The taste of the potato casserole with minced meat is creamy, nicely seasoned and with a crispy cheese or gratin. A delicious bite where the vegetables, ground beef and potatoes alternate. The creamy potato is deliciously flavored with bacon and a shallot. An easy recipe that can be in the oven in 15 minutes, ideal for a weekday evening. What do you need for a casserole dish of 8 by 10 inches? 10 ounces of bacon in strips, 1 shallot sliced finely, 1 clove of squeezed garlic, 2 tablespoons of flour, half a cup of milk, 1½ cup of vegetable stock, which is cold, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of leek sliced in thin strips, 1½ pound of potato slices, and 6 ounces of grated cheese. In a dry skillet, fry the bacon for a minute so that some fat is released. Add a chopped onion and fry for 3 minutes until the onion is translucent. Add the crushed garlic to the pan and stir fry it for 30 seconds. Sprinkle the bacon mixture with the flour and stir well. Bake everything for 2 minutes so that the flour is cooked. Pour the milk into the pan and watch out because it may splash. Stir the milk with the bacon mixture so that you get a roux without lumps. Now while stirring, pour the stock into the mixture. The sauce with bacon and onion is now ready. Set aside. Put some oil in a skillet and fry the ground beef until it's brown. Add the leek and let it cook for 2 minutes. Turn off the heat. Grease an oven dish so you can clean it better later. Place the beef leek mixture in the bottom of the baking dish. Spread the potato slices on top. Pour the bacon onion sauce over the potatoes. Sprinkle the grated cheese over the oven dish and bake the oven dish for 25 minutes in a preheated oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Serve immediately. The Aardappel Anders casserole is done and we will soon be sitting at the table to eat it. And do you want to make this oven dish for larger or smaller groups? Then you can find a handy calculator in the recipe card on my blog that calculates the ingredients for you. Thank you for watching. You can find a written recipe in the video description below. Don't forget to like this video, follow my channel or check out the rest of my videos where you will find over 100 recipes that are all quick, tasty and easy to make. See you soon!